Howdy.
Howdy.
Nevada Adventure family. We are at a car show. Brought the big truck. Got other bunch of military vehicles. So this is in Reno. And this is for veterans. So all the proceeds go to benefit veterans. So that's a great cause. There's a great raffle lunch coming up. So it's gonna be fun. It's here at Sportsman's Warehouse, Reno, Nevada. Check out some of this stuff. So they're raffling off this travel trailer. They're raffling off this quad. And then they got a AR they're gonna raffle off too. And we're gonna get some lunch. It's gonna be a great time. Plus they got all this stuff they're raffling off. Hopefully win something, huh? Let's go check out in that travel trailer.
Okay.
So you could win this with tickets. How's it going?
Welcome.
It's a nice trailer.
This could be yours.
We have one already. I don't know what I'd do if I won it.
You can always sell it. I know people who will buy it.
Oh yeah. Or you just have two.
Yeah.
I like the separate. That's nice.
The doors.
Yeah. Unlike our last one. Thank you, sir.
Have a good day.
Let's go check out some cars. Cool old Scout with a Trailbreaker, which is a two-wheel drive bike. Very cool. All right, that's the short for the day. There'll be more to come. See you in a bit.